Hi, this is the model IND35. It is rated for cap diameters from 15 to 35 millimeters in diameter, but I've actually used this machine up to 38 millimeters with no problem. One particular design feature that I like about this machine is that the bottom of the wand is actually cone-shaped rather than flat, so it will allow you to easily center the bottles or caps inside the wand, as well as use pour spouts into it, or caps that have flip tops or anything that might otherwise impede the proper sealing of the induction foil. Here, I'm going to run a test on this one bottle. As you can see, it's not sealed. I set it up a little bit to 1.9 seconds because I know it takes a little bit longer. Once it's done, I'm going to give it some time for it to cool. And we're going to test that bottle. Now, this is the, doesn't have, this one has an induction foil. I'm going to go ahead and seal this one. Okay, I'm going to give that time to cool down. This one should be sealed properly now. As you can see, it's a very nice seal. It's very easy to use this particular machine. It's very versatile within its range. As you can see, that's sealed. That one's also. And the flat cap as well.